Alright, so here's the Surf Hogs American Charities tribute Jeep that we'll be bringing to Jeep events. This is before, and we're going to be getting it customized to attend events, raise awareness for the charity. This is the Freedom Edition. And this is before we customize it, so it's got a standard grill, standard bumpers, and it'll get changed out. This before, no running boards. We got the running boards will be going on it soon. These are the stock tires and rims, which are like brand new. We'll probably be selling those to somebody. I like nice and brand new. This is before, and we'll do after. So it'll have custom bumpers. There's the stock. And that's it. It'll be nice when it's all done. Before it'll have some during and after, different stages of customization. That's it.